All right, so here's the boat we're going with. It's a 38-foot 1996 Allen Andrews design. It was built as a kind of mostly a race boat, but also for coastal cruising for a couple, so there are some amenities. But it's got a hydraulic lifting keel, carbon fiber floorboards, a boom furling mainsail. It's got nice hatches up top. We're gonna have to do the V-berth, but anyway, it's a Divinycell foam core. So there's no wood really in the construction. All the floorboards down below are carbon fiber. It's got solid rod rigging that's been reheaded in the last couple of years, carbon fiber mast, vacuum flush head, and a watertight crash bulkhead up front. Just showing off some of the things. And the cockpit here, we're gonna have to add a lot of stuff. It's about 800 hours on the engine, so it's in really good shape. But yeah, lots of projects coming up. So this is just kind of a really quick look through at what's coming up. So thanks for watching.